Good afternoon. Fabian Gonzalez, who is charged in the death of Victoria Martens, appeared before the same judge today who last Friday had serious questions about the state's new theory about the murder. The purpose of today's hearing to decide what will be allowed during Gonzalez's trial set for next month. News 13's Rebecca Atkins is live at District Court with what happened. Rebecca.
Well, Kim, it was tense in the courtroom today between Judge Charles Brown and prosecutors. He has a lot of questions about the new story the state is presenting about a barbecue that Gonzalez was at just days before Victoria Martens' murder, saying that while he was there, he was punched by a woman, then made threats, which they say then put Victoria Martens in harm's way.
We don't have to prove that Fabian or that the defendant caused directly physical harm to Victoria, only that he caused the danger that led to her physical harm.
Gonzalez was one of 3 people initially charged in the death of 10-year-old Victoria Martens. He's now facing child abuse and tampering with evidence charges for his involvement. Today, the judge had a lot of questions for the prosecution, many regarding the news story, but also Gonzalez's alleged gang affiliation. The judge has even now ordered a separate hearing to decide if the state's gang witnesses will be able to testify. But in response to the state's arguments that Gonzalez created the threat that led to a man who allegedly came looking for Fabian by a gang name and led to the death of Victoria Martens, his attorney had this to say.
The important fact is that neither the defendant nor Michelle Martens were present when the child was murdered.
The judge did end up ruling that the charge of reckless child abuse resulting in death will remain. As far as Jessica Kelley being a witness, that is still up in the air because her plea deal is still in limbo. Now, as far as if any of these matters that are still unclear after today's hearing will push back the trial, the judge says he hopes that doesn't happen, saying, quote, he'd like to get this over with. It's been going on for nearly 3 years. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Rebecca. Now, Fabian Gonzalez's attorney dropped another bombshell in court today, stating they are ready to prove at trial that Jessica Kelley killed Victoria, then tried to cover it up. We'll have more on that coming up at 5:30.